Dear foodies and snack lovers, who said indulgence can't be healing? This isn't your regular puff-puff. It's guilt-free, gut-friendly, and naturally nourishing. You will love to have a bite. Today, we are flipping puff-puff game on its head. This is powered by carrots, green apples, and live-cultured yogurt. It's nourishing, fluffy, tangy sweet, and your belly will say thank you. Here, I use 4 medium-sized carrots, steam them, and chop them. Add them into the blender as you see me do. Now, we'll require 2 green apples. Cut them into chunks and add to the blender. Then you blend both until you have a smooth consistency. Let's talk ingredients real quick. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, fiber, and that vibrant orange goodness that gives your puff a natural glow. Great for your eyes and your gut. Green apples are rich in pectin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds your good gut bacteria and keep them happy. Also help things moving. The life culture yogurt is our secret weapon. It adds moisture, tang, and a boost of probiotics for smoother digestion and better immunity. Now all the cutting done, so we'll add them together. I'm going to give them a good blend. So instead of using water, I'm adding part of the yogurt that I'm going to use. Many people who love to eat this favorite African snack, they are giving it up because of it's laden with carbs. But doing it this way, you almost having half goodness of it. So you have the fiber and the healthy stuff. So we are putting the guilt away, and you are eating something healthy. Now here is our pureed. See the color golden. Let's set it aside, and now we add our seasoning. So the flour, add salt to taste, cinnamon for flavor, and we use the sweetness of our natural ingredients to replace sugar. Now we add the pureed to the flour, and it's time now for us to do some work to make the batter. Now we are going to add the remaining amount of yogurt, life cultured yogurt, to it before we start making the batter. Ready? Roll up your sleeve and let's go mixing. Miss until we get a consistency that is soft and a little bit stretchy. And we're cutting away half the cake with these live ingredients doing what they do best: healing, feeding, and energizing. The yogurt makes this batter come alive, literally. Now it's becoming a bit stretchy now. Have a look. See the golden color. Oh my god. Now we progress to cooking it. So in your hot oil, you make a ball and drop to cook on a low heat so it doesn't get burnt. Look at it. So you wash them and turn them over when one side is cooked. Sometimes they do so on their own naturally. And now it's ready. Look at them. Golden brown. Yeah, I'm salivating now already. Now we're coming to the best part. We have done all the job. So it's time to enjoy. Look at them. So I'm using my own for breakfast. Better than bread. I'm using my tea, Femibles. Women's Wellness Tea. Engraved in a sachet. So allow the tea to sip and be ready to enjoy. This puff doesn't just fill you up, it fuels you. It's perfect for kids, seniors, busy professionals, and anyone trying to snack without sabotage. Are you ready to have a bite? Cut it open, and that gorgeous orange center stares back at you like sunshine baked into a snack. And the smell, sweet apple, carrot with a dash of cinnamon, is irresistible. Give it a try and tag me when you do. Bye! See you in our next video.